I'm Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. When you get into an accident and your vehicle is repaired, it should be returned to pre-accident condition. Pre-accident condition means that if it was not broken or damaged before the accident, it should not be broken or damaged when you get your vehicle back from the repair shop. There are usually parts that were not damaged during the accident. However, they need to be removed to complete the repair work. Those parts sometimes become damaged or broken because vehicles are not like Legos. They're not designed to go together and come apart. Parts like moldings typically break because they're cosmetic, not structural. This happened with one of our customers, and the insurance company didn't want to pay to replace the moldings as they were not damaged in the accident. I explained the situation to the customer and advised her that the insurance company should pay for the parts to be replaced. I gave her all the data, the correct verbiage, and encouraged her to call the adjuster to get reimbursed for the parts. She took my advice, called, and she got reimbursed for those parts. I know that some shops would just glue those parts in and the customer would never know because it's easier than doing the right thing. We do the right thing even when it's harder. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialists that do the right thing.